So let's learn how to open up a command window in Windows and then access the Python environment and type in some Python statements and see what happens. So here's how you do it. First, you click on your Start button in Windows, type in the word CMD. You want to be able to access the command prompt. Click on that command prompt and it opens a little window that looks like this. And then the way that you access Python is you type in the word Python and press Enter. This says that I'm running Python version 3.8.3. Now, if yours didn't work on the Python, you're going to have to go and add some values to your environment, which will allow you to automatically find Python when you type in the word Python. So if you type in the word Python and it doesn't find it, go out and Google Python not working in command prompt. It's going to mean that you have to go and add Python into your system variables for the system to be able to understand that executable file. But hopefully if you follow the videos on the installation, it works for you. So here we are in the Python environment, and those three greater than signs mean that I can actually start typing in information. I can type in the word help and press enter, and it says, well, if you really want to do help, put the parentheses, or specify what you want help about. But I could do a help parentheses, enter. Gives me a little help file. I'm now inside of the help system. And this is where I could actually type in help on any specific subject. Since I'm actually working inside the Python environment, I could actually start typing Python source code. So I could say my number is equal to 10. Enter. And then I could say print, parentheses, my number. And it shows the value of 10. My number equals my number plus 5. Print my number. And you can actually press your up arrows and down arrows, and that will scroll through your different commands. And this is the Python environment. And I could actually type variables, statements, and run a little program right here. The only problem is it doesn't save it for you. So let's go ahead and get out of that by pressing Control-Z, Enter. And let's run Python one more time, but before I do that, I want you to see something. dir space asterisk period py. This is a command that says show me a directory of all the files in this folder that have an extension of py. Py is the file extension for Python files. And it actually says I have one called firstprog.py. And that's because I went and created that file. It wasn't automatically created for you. I created that. I could look at that file by typing the word more firstprog.py. And that's the whole file right there. Number equals 10, print number. And that is a Python program. So in the command line, I could actually execute that Python program. And the way I could do it is type in the word. Let me clear that first. I just type CLS and that clears the screen. Python space. Now remember, Python enter takes you into the Python environment. Python space firstprogram or firstprog.py. That says open the Python environment and run that program. And that's the output of the program, which was the print 10. Now, are you really going to do this? Probably not. Do you really want to type your Python program every single time? Probably not. We can go ahead and exit this window by typing the word exit and pressing enter. And that ends the command window.